Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial video. In this video I will show you how to create a cart page for a food delivery app in Adobe XD. First I'm gonna create an artboard. Then I'm gonna place the arrow button on the top left corner of the artboard. Next I'm gonna add the page title. I'm gonna change the font family to Roboto. Then I'm gonna change the font weight to regular. And font color to #111111. Then I will align the title to center. After that I'm gonna create the cart item listing. For that I will use the rectangle tool to create a rectangle. Then I will change the border radius to 15 pixels. After that I'm gonna remove the border of the rectangle and I will add a drop shadow to it. Then I will add the image of dish on top of the card. I'm gonna reduce the width and height to 70 pixels. Now I'm gonna add the title of the product. I will change the font size to 16 pixels. Then I'm gonna make a copy of the text and change it to product amount. After that I'm gonna change the font size to 14 pixels and font color to #535353. Next I'm gonna create the quantity selector button. For that I'm gonna grab the ellipse tool and create a circle of width and height of 26 pixels. Next I'm gonna add the quantity. After that I'm gonna duplicate the circle and place it on the right. After that I'm gonna select the circles and text and align it vertically to the center of the card. Next I'm gonna remove the border of the card and fill it with a color. The color code I'm using is #FFC100. Then I will add a drop shadow with the same color. Next I'm gonna add the plus and minus signs. After that I'm gonna change the color to white. Now I'm gonna select all the elements and make 2 more copies of it. I will move the last card item card to left side of the artboard. After that I'm gonna create a rectangle with the equal height of the card item card. I will change the border radius to 15 pixels and I'm gonna send it backward. Next I'm gonna remove its border and fill it with a color. The color code I'm using here is #FF6767. After that I'm gonna grab the trash icon and place it on top of it. Let's reduce the size. Then I will change the icon color to white. Next I'm gonna create the promo code section. For that I'm gonna grab the rectangle tool and create a rectangle of height 52 pixels and width 352 pixels. After that I'm gonna remove its border and fill it with a color. The color code I'm gonna use is #F3F3F3. After that I'm gonna change the border radius to 26 pixels. Then I'm gonna make a copy of it and reduce the width to 125 pixels. I'm gonna fill it with the same color as the quantity selector button. Then I'm gonna add the placeholder text and button text. After that I'm gonna create the total amount section. I'm gonna keep this section really simple. I'm gonna duplicate the text and change it to subtotal. I'm gonna separate the sections with a border of 1 pixel. I'm gonna duplicate it to create the shipping amount and total amount. Then I'm gonna duplicate the button and change its width to 354 pixels. After that I'm gonna add the place order text on top of the button and align it to the center and change its color to #0F0F0F. There you have it guys. We have created the cart page. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like, comment and subscribe. See you in the next video.